Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Particle diagrams reveal chemical solution secrets instantly. We must identify which acid matches the specific visual representation in just a few steps.
Look closely at the diagram and notice that every single acid molecule has split apart into separate ions. There are no neutral molecules left floating around in this aqueous mixture. This complete dissociation is the classic hallmark of a strong acid. Weak acids would leave many molecules stuck together, but here every particle has fully ionized in the water solution. Perchloric acid is the only strong acid provided. That makes option C our final winner. You mastered this chemistry concept like a pro. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush when identifying ions. Trust given diagrams to find strong acids correctly.